This is the video tour of Kamin 32. You walk into the living room. Big size living room, coat closet right here. Storage space, decorative fireplace. Then we have on the left of the living room the first bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom. Fits a full bed easily. Storage over there in the corner, that pantry, and then a closet right here. Through the living room, on the right we have the bathroom. Sink, toilet, tub, mirror, nice lights. Then the second bedroom right here. They're about equal sized bedrooms. Both fit a queen pretty easily. Queen bed. And a closet over here. Nice windows too. And it's a full-size closet. And then we go through this little hallway to the dining room. There's two closets right here. Dining room, more storage over there. And a full-size kitchen. Full stove, full dishwasher, good counter space, lots of cabinets, and a fridge. And out here is just your fire escape. So that's a video tour of Kamin 32.